Here comes Krista Beal. He's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone.
He's coming after, so you better look alive. He's driving the
You're covering up the thing. There you go.
The powerful T5. Oh! You see what I did there? Hey! Good afternoon. This is Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake.
I'm Jake.
You are Jake. This is the Mustang 1967 Fastback. But wait a minute. It's called a T5. Well, there's a reason for that. Apparently, back in the day, when they made the Mustang, they couldn't import it to Germany under the name Mustang. They had to use the T5. Now the T5 was the project name for the Mustang, so that's why they did that. But let's talk about this car. Well, you'll see these beautiful German little Stuttgart, Düsseldorf, all that good stuff on the front, kind of cool.
German export, huh?
Gotta love it.
West Germany, technically.
West Germany, because East Germany was run by the communists. But let's not discuss that. This is a 289. This is a 4-speed, silver, beautiful red interior. It's a gorgeous car. Really, really is. It's iconic, for the love of Mike. Got a great trunk. And let's look at these taillights, Jake. One of these is amber. Again, another tall tail sign. This is a European car, because that's how they did it back then. Got a nice full-size spare, beautiful mats.
Really nicely done.
How about we open this door and see the wonderful interior and Marty report. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, a Marty report on this car. Tells you everything you need to know. There's a 4-speed.
Fold down rear seats.
Gotta love the fold down rear seats, Jake. All right, Jake, we've seen it. Now it's time to drive it, shall we?
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh, this is Armstrong steering.
That's all right. You get more road feel that way.
You do, and in Germany they know all about road feel now, don't they?
We were just looking at
I love this.
Instructions to start the car are still on the visor.
In English.
And I guess this is...
I've never seen that before.
It says map.
That's lights? Oh, that's lights on.
Oh, they work. Drives nice.
It does.
Drives very nice. I like the gauges. Very cool. I was saying, I like how the radio's set up in the European version of the Mustang. I think it's cool looking. You got a little storage
thing.
Little storage slider there.
Wow.
You got T5 here on the dash.
Yeah, I didn't know anything about that T5. That was a special project name for this bad boy. It must have been a 3 and a 4, and then they landed on 5.
It drives very smooth.
It does. It's a very smooth car for sure.
And these back seats are actually pretty big for real-sized people.
Real-sized people in a real-sized German car.
Or like we said, if you want to fold them down, you can put equipment, boards, drywall.
Well, now let's slow it down, Jake the Snake.
If you want to build a doghouse, you can fit everything you need if you fold the seat down.
You could. But why would you? Why not just drive this beautiful bad boy?
I would just drive it. 279 gears.
Yep, so it's definitely highway gears.
Oh yeah, it's a cruising machine. But even with the gear so low, it feels pretty quick.
Didn't even notice.
The clock works?
Kilometers.
Oh, it's in kilometers, of course.
I was confused. It doesn't feel like 80.
How many kilometers do we have?
Wait, oh my God, is that true? 8,050 kilometers?
Oh, that's not very many.
No, and a 4-wheel disc brakes, you can feel them. Good brakes. It's kind of got everything you really need.
That big silver hood with the little cutouts on the front are pretty cool. Nostrils, whatever you want to call them.
Are they called nostrils, really?
I don't know.
Well,
Vents.
Keeps the engine cool.
This Art Deco looking headliner piece.
That's
pretty
the map.
cool.
That's the map. That's the map.
I wonder if they say map because you turn them on if you need to read the map.
Oh, I'm guaranteed when you're on the Autobahn going at several kilometers an hour.
But both of these lights work, which is cool.
Which is really neat, and that had to be a very, very cool option for the 60s. people in front of me, but my goodness, it does drive nice.
Yeah, even with the low gears, it's pretty peppy, pretty quick.
It is very peppy. For a 289.
Ready for a good old-fashioned startup?
You're darn right I am.
Ooh.
It's a pretty car. You definitely need to drive this one, Jake the Snake.
I will.
This is a great one.